Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch and my YouTube is all about how to fix, build, and increase your credit score. I'm also going to be making videos about tips and tricks about the credit world that nobody speaks about. And I have a series in I think a month or two that or a couple months from now, I'm working on it right now about how to build business credit. So you should definitely consider subscribing if that's a subject that you're interested in, and for all my entrepreneurs out there. And I upload 3 videos per week, so you should definitely consider subscribing, guys. So in this video, I want to talk about what factors into your FICO scores. So just ignore this picture, guys. I found this picture and I just thought it was kind of cool. It's when me and my wife were purchasing our house and we were signing our final documents. Anyway, sorry about that. FICO score range from 300 to 850. I'm pretty sure you guys are well aware of that. And they indicate whether or not you have good credit history. On average, any FICO score over 700 indicates that you have a good credit history. I made another video in the past, speaking about, like, in my opinion, anything over 700, you're pretty much gold, man. You can get anything and lenders trust you more. So anybody out there, your goal is to get a 700 score, and then you just make tweaks here and there to make it higher, and I'll be teaching you guys that in other videos. The majority of the score calculated based on your credit score is payment history, and it counts for 35% of that rating score, guys. And what I mean by rating score is that 3-digit number that is your credit score. The length of credit history is weighted into the calculation by 50% of the new calculated score. New credit and a credit mix both weigh in at 20% of the overall FICO score. So pretty much 15% of your FICO score is calculated by how old is your oldest account on your credit report. So for example, let's say you were 18 and you applied for a credit card and you still have it open and you still have that credit card. It's going to give you 15% of that credit length, because that's the first time that's the first time you have history with credit, so which is really good. I recommend never to close that account. And then 20% is how often you apply for new credit, and it's a mix of your new credit and your old credit. So and it rounds it up to 20%. How much you are currently in debt accounts for 30% of that score, guys, and this is really important. So for example, let's say you have a credit card with $1,000 of your max limit, and you almost maxed it out and your balance is $900. Well, that's actually really bad, because you're almost maximizing your credit card, and it shows that you're not responsible with your credit card, and it dings your credit score by actually quite a lot. But it accounts for 30% of your FICO score, guys. So in this next slide, I made this I broke it down again into 5 factors just so you guys can visualize it and see it. It's accounts owed is 30%. 2, payment history, which is very important. Can you see that, like, payment history is the highest one out of all of these? So I'm telling you guys, payment history and the debt, but you want to focus on payment history. Try not to never have a late payment, and if you do, DM me. I can try to help you how to remove that from your credit report. 3 is credit history length. It's how old is your first credit card or loan that you ever got or applied for. 10% accounts for new credit, and 10% accounts for credit mix. So 4 and 5 are kind of a mixture of both. So that is it for now. Thank you guys again so much for watching. All the links going to be down in the description. I hope you learned something new. If you did, give this video a thumbs up or even a thumbs down. Either way, I really appreciate it. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell for notification. It motivates me to keep making videos like this for you guys. And I hope you guys, my number one goal is to I hope you guys learn something new every time you watch one of my videos. So I hope you guys learned something new. Like I said before, all things going to be down in the description. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And remember, guys, let's outsmart these creditors. Till next video, guys.